everyone, welcome to Virtual Assistant Application Process Tutorial. Whether you're a seasoned professional or nag-start ka pa lang as virtual assistant or magsisimula ka pa lang, this video will guide you through step-by-step process and how you can start mag-apply sa mga virtual assistant jobs na gusto nyong applyan. From crafting your perfect resume to nailing those interviews, we'll cover it all. Okay. After this tutorial, you'll have a clear idea on how you can effectively apply to those VA jobs and also how you can stand out to your potential client. So, let's get started. Before you start applying for job assistant role, it's crucial to do your homework. Dapat nag-research ka na and prepare na lahat yung mga kailangan need mong isubmit kapag mag-a-apply ka. Okay, so here's what you need to do. First is you have to carefully read the job description for each position na interested ka. Make a list of the skills, softwares, and experiences na required doon sa job description na gusto mong applyan. Also, mag-research ka din about the company or the client to understand their values and culture. Next is, make sure na ready na yung portfolio and or resume mo, okay? Tailor your resume to highlight yung mga skills and experience mo na most relevant to the job description na ina-applyan mo. Then, if you don't have yet a portfolio, create one. Especially kung yung mga ina-applyan mo na position is about graphic design or about social media. So you have to include samples of your work such as social media graphics, content calendars, email templates, or any other relevant documents that showcase your skills. Okay? Next in the checklist that you need to have is cover letter, of course. So personalize your cover letter for each application. Address the hiring manager by name, mention the company also, and explain why you are a great fit to the role. Okay? Highlight your relevant experiences, unique skills that you have, and your enthusiasm for the opportunity. And lastly, of course, dapat meron kang video introduction. So, hindi lahat ng mga employer nangihingi ng video introduction, pero may mga employer na nagre-require nito kasi this gives employer a better idea of who you are beyond your resume. So, it allows them to see how you communicate, how comfortable you are using digital tools, and whether you'd be blend well with sa team nila. Okay, so it helps you stand out by highlighting your personality and enthusiasm.
Hi, my name is Sheila and I'm from Philippines. Are you looking for a virtual assistant who could help your daily activities or tasks such as setting up appointments, engaging emails, marketing, or trending your business? I made the right VA that you're looking for. Yes, I am. I am a passionate virtual assistant with excellent training, and I can offer to you my expertise to provide your virtual assistant's need.
Now, once everything is ready na, meron ka ng resume, meron ka ng ready na cover letter, and also introduction video, now, pwede ka nang mag-start maghanap ng work. Okay? Mag-start na tayo mag-create ng Indeed profile para makapag-start na tayo maghanap ng work. Okay? So, punta lang tayo sa www.indeed.com. So, dito tayo maghahanap ng work. Dito ko talaga nahanap yung mga kliyente ko. Kaya, ito yung tinuturo ko. So, all you have to do is click sign in or create an account using your Google or Gmail. And after that, you just have to hit the continue button. Then here, since job seeker tayo, click mo lang yung job seeker button. So in this part, you have to enter your city kung saan ka nakatira and also your postal code. Make sure also na naka-highlight yung I'm interested in a remote work kasi work from home yung mga hinahanap nating work.
Okay, just hit the continue and then skip mo lang yung part na to and also that one skip mo lang. And there you have it, you already have account sa Indeed. Siyempre, aayusin natin yung profile natin. So there are two types paano natin gawin yung profile natin. Pwede kang mag-build sa mismo sa Indeed or you just have to upload your resume. So, I just choose to upload yung resume ko since meron na tayo para mas mabilis, diba? Kasi if you build an Indeed resume, you have to fill out everything. So, medyo matagal siya. So, now, once na-upload mo na yung resume mo, check mo, you have to double check everything, make sure that everything is okay before you hit that blue button. Okay, almost done na tayo and there you have it. And this part, you just have to click the continue. And now, meron ka ng profile sa Indeed and you're ready to apply now. Pwede na tayong mag-start maghanap ng work. Now, let's start to search for virtual assistant jobs. Mag-start na tayo maghanap ng work. Okay, so on the home page, you'll see the search bar. So, dito, itatype nyo lang yung gusto nyong job titles na gusto nyong applyan. You can type virtual assistant home base, since work from home yung gusto nyong applyan, or executive assistant. Similar rules like that. Or pwede ding medical virtual assistant, diba? If more on sa medical field yung gusto nyong pasukan. Or sales associate. Okay? So, ganun lang siya. Balik tayo sa virtual assistant position. Since dito. And then, for the location, all you have to do is just to enter the remote location to find jobs that are location independent. Alright? So, after that, just click the Find Jobs button to see available position. And there you have it. Ayan na, makikita mo na yung mga available positions na pwede nyong pagpilian. Alright? To narrow down your search result, pwede nyong gamitin yung mga filters na to para mas mabilis yung paghahanap nyo ng mga gusto nyong job position na applyan. Okay? Pwede nyong tingnan yan kung remote since work from home yung gusto nyong applyan. Okay, job type. Okay, you can choose whatever you want. Company, if ever man may specific yung company na gustong applyan. Alright, so this helps you find jobs that match your specific preferences, such as full-time ba or permanent or part-time roles, or gusto nyo bang entry level lang or experience position, and more. Okay, so there you have it. Review job descriptions carefully. Okay, just click on the job titles to read the full details ng description ng position na ina-applyan nyo. You have to pay attention to the qualification na kailangan for that. Also check job responsibilities na gagawin mo for that position. And syempre, yung salary. Check mo kung pasok yan sa gusto mo. And any specific application instruction, check nyo din. So make sure that the job is aligned with your skills and experience. Alright? Now, before applying, make sure nyo that you customize your resume and cover letter para mag-match yung specific job description dun sa gusto nyong applyan na job. Make sure nyo then that you highlight the relevant skills and experiences and any tools or softwares that you're familiar with na na-mention dun sa job listing. Okay? Remember that a tailored application increases your chance of getting noticed by recruiters. You can also check my previous video, yung pinakaunang video. Merong part doon that shows how you make a winning resume and a great cover letter. Once you've found potential job opportunities, it's time to submit your application. Okay? Just click Apply Now button on the job listing page. So, depending on the employer's preferences, pwedeng either apply directly through Indeed ka or directly to the company's website nila. So, here's how to do it effectively. The first one is you have to follow application instruction. Every job posting is different. So carefully follow the instruction provided para make sure nyo na ensure nyo na na-submit all the required documents in the specific format, whether it's PDF ba yung gusto nila or in Word document or something else. Okay, next is you have to double check that your resume or your cover letter or portfolio kung meron man or any other requested document are attached to your application. Make sure nyo that they are correctly formatted and named professionally. And lastly, you have to double check for errors. Before hitting that send button, okay, make sure nyo na i-review lahat yung mga materials, yung mga spelling, grammar, and formatting errors. Okay, a polished application reflects your attention to details and professionalism. Next, you have to complete any additional application steps. Some employers kasi may ask you to answer screening questions. Pwede ding mag-take kayo ng mga skill test or they require you to submit a video introduction. So, make sure that you have to complete these additional steps carefully as they are often key to moving forward in the hiring process. Alright? So, next is you have to keep track of the jobs that you're applied. Syempre, imo-monitor nyo lahat ng mga in-applyan nyo. Okay? You can visit My Jobs sa Indeed section para makita nyo yung, ma-monitor nyo yung mga in-applyan yung job position. So, this helps you stay organized and follow up with employers if kailangan. You can also set up job alerts for virtual assistant roles para makareceive kayo ng notification every time there is a new opportunities that match your criteria. Tip lang, para make sure na meron talagang mag-i-interview sa inyo, i-goal nyo na dapat everyday makakapag-send kayo ng at least 10 application per day. That you have to be consistent, okay? 10 application per day para mas madami yung chance na ma-interview ka. Diba? Kasi kung hindi ka magsisend ng application or your resume mo, walang mag-i-interview sa'yo. Pero kung mas madami yung sinesend yung mga application, there are more chances na ma-i-interview ka. Alright? So, goal nyo dapat yan. Dapat 10 application per day na dapat makakasubmit kayo. And lastly, of course, you have to prepare na for interview. Okay? If you're selected for an interview, make sure na you're prepared by researching about the company na gusto kayong interviewin and also practice answers to common virtual assistant interview question para confident kayo once ma-interview kayo. Be ready also to demonstrate your skills in terms of organization, communication, and time management, and proficiency with digital tools.
And there you have it, guys. So now you are now ready to apply virtual assistant jobs on Indeed with confidence, diba? So thank you so much, guys, for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell para inform kayo if I have new videos about online job tips and tutorials.